Welcome to this video on Agentic AI. We will explore the new era of autonomous intelligence and what makes it different from other forms of AI. Agentic AI represents a significant shift from simple chat responses to active execution, moving AI beyond just generating messages to taking concrete action. Agentic AI systems function as agents. They plan their own tasks, reason through problems, and take independent action to achieve a goal. They operate in cycles until the task is complete. Autonomy is a core pillar of agentic AI. Agents operate with minimal oversight. Humans set the goal, and the agent performs the subtasks, reducing the need for micromanagement. Tool usage is another key feature. Agents can browse the web for real-time data, securely access company databases, and call APIs for tasks like booking flights or sending emails. Unlike generative AI, which primarily outputs text or images, agentic AI's primary output is task completion. It uses autonomous loops for interaction and features tool use as a primary capability, aiming to execute rather than just inform. Agentic AI uses a feedback loop for logical reasoning. They plan, act, observe results, and learn. If a task fails, the agent attempts a new strategy and does not give up immediately. Key architectures include the single agent, a conductor model managing all tasks alone, suitable for focused projects, and the multi-agent system, a team of specialized agents collaborating like a professional office team. In a travel case study, instead of just listing flights, an agentic AI system searches, compares, and books the entire trip based on your budget and preferences, autonomously completing the complex process. For software, AI tools like Replit are capable of self-healing code. They plan, write code, find their own bugs, and fix errors without human intervention, making development faster and more reliable. The future of work involves hyper-efficiency as routine tasks disappear. Humans will focus on new skills like strategy and creativity, becoming human-in-the-loop directors of AI teams.